Hi, and welcome to Axerda. In this video, I will show you how to set up your personal profile as a co-founder or founder of a startup. So the first step you'll want to do is click on Edit here to be able to change your image. So I already have a profile picture here, so I'll pick another one and click on Change Image. And then I'll be able to pick a picture based on my own library and then edit it whichever way I want. So let's say I want to use whatever, this picture. Then I can go in, and if it's not in the right location, then I can just switch it around, adjust it. You could zoom it if you want. And once that's ready for you, then simply save. That will update the background image. Other things you may want to update is your headline. So this is going to be the main thing on your profile in terms of text. So you may want to set this up based on some important information for you. Then you can add the link to some of your social media account and then hit save, and that will update the top part here. The Ask Me About, this is the section about adding skills that you want to help the community with. So for example, I want to help with React.js. Let's say I'm an 8 out of 10 on this, and so that will help other people find me and ask me help about this specific skills. I can add another one, and here put that as 10, and there we go. So now I have 2 skills. You can add up to 16, and be mindful. The skills you're putting here are things that you want to help your community with. So choose them wisely. The About section is going to be some demographic-based information. This will help your incubator or accelerator in the way that they need some demographic information for their report. Set this all up and save. Finally, in the professional experience, this is to add some color to your profile so that when people are looking at you to be able to help them specifically on these skills, they can then figure out what your experience was and how relevant those experiences are to your previous experience. So these are pretty basic stuff. They look pretty much like LinkedIn, and so you can simply pick the date, the time, and then add a description over here, and that will be complete. And so that's it. That's how you set up your basic profile. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.